Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader on XAU. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis and do check out the Forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel for the analysis of other pairs like Euro USD, GBP USD, USD JPY, GBP JPY, and many more. So let's get started. I'm uploading videos after 7 8 days. I was not well. Okay, I am better now. Okay, so I'm back in action again. So yesterday there was a sharp rise on the price of gold after the bond yields came down. So bond yields came down, and there's a correlation between the price of bonds and the gold. Whenever bond goes up, gold goes down, and when bond goes down, gold goes up. So as a result, there was a sharp rise on the price of gold yesterday, and you can see that there was a huge bullishness in the market, unexpected bullishness in the market. Right now you can see that gold is trading at 1840. This is the current market price. So considering the present trend of the market, it is very risky to take a sell position at the top right now. If you're considering that this market has made the top and you can take a sell position, then this is a very risky call. I'm not saying the market will not go down. Yes, there is a possibility for retracement, but taking a sell position at a retracement is a very risky call. Beginners, new traders should avoid. And first look at the chart of DXY. See, as per our expectation, okay, DXY took support at the 95.50 level, and if I zoom in, you can see that after taking support here, okay, if you have watched my previous videos, then you know it very well that 95.50 has been acting as a very strong support for the market. Okay, here it failed, but again it is doing its job again. So 95.50 is still acting as a support, and you can see there is price rejection from below. So if it starts taking support and starts going up from here, then yes, there may be some retracement on gold, because when dollar goes up, gold goes down. Never forget. In general, under general circumstances only. So if dollar goes up from here after taking support at 95.50 level, there may be some retracement on gold. But keep in mind, we also have the trend line on the DXY, which is a resistance. And if it breaks also the trend line, then the next big resistance on the chart of gold is or at the chart of DXY is 96.05 to 96.25. Okay, so first resistance is the trend line, the second resistance is this yellow zone, 96.05 to 96.25. And if you look at the Forex sentiment meter, you will find it on my website. In the Forex sentiment meter, we can see that 69% retail traders are on the sell side. So it means that yesterday 69% or 70% traders have taken sell position when it was going up, and you are in loss right now. In fact, I also told many people that yes, actually I was not aware that the bond yields have gone down. Okay, so I thought that it's normal, it is going up around 1820. I told people that yes, you can take a sell position with a stop loss at 1824. But when I saw that the market is forming big candles, then I realized that no, something is wrong with this chart. Market is extremely bullish. Okay. After that, also many people have taken sell position thinking that market will reverse. No. Okay, whenever price and volume teams up, okay, you should be aware of the market condition. That's why understanding the market psychology, understanding the body language of the market, the body language of the chart is very important for a trader. So this is the overall scenario right now. Retail traders, as usual, are in loss right now because we failed to follow the trend of the market. And sadly, this happens with almost all the pairs. Okay, and if you look at the currency strength meter here today, we can see that odd is the strongest and NZ is the weakest for a day. And this is our beloved US dollar. Okay, US dollar is kind of bearish. Okay, kind of bearish, but keep in mind, okay, keep in mind, though US dollar is bearish right now, but it is standing at support. Okay, so if it bounces on the support, then US dollar will change its color and come down to this green zone. Okay, so keep your eyes on the US dollar. So what are the trading opportunities and possibilities on the chart of gold here? Okay, first of all, okay, right now we do not have any proper resistance right now. Okay, and market is trading at 1840. 1850 will be acting as a psychological resistance. Okay, will be acting as a psychological resistance, not a strong one but a psychological resistance. And if it crosses the 1850 level, and if I zoom out the chart, then you can see that we have the next resistance coming up. Okay, we have the next resistance coming up at 1858. At 1858 we have another resistance coming up here because of this volume profile. Okay, volume profile is showing us that there may be some resistance at this level, and after that obviously there will be resistances at 1865 and 1870, 1875. Okay, after that there are multiple resistances in the market, here, but the first resistance will start from 1857, 58. Okay, so this level is important, and 1850 is also a psychological resistance, not a strong one. Okay, we do not have any volume there, we do not have any support from the chart also, so be careful. And if you are taking that, you should be taking a long position right now. If you're taking planning to take a long position here, then my dear friend, this is not the ideal position, because see, if you take a long position or buy position here, then your risk to reward ratio does not match. So if you take a buy position, then obviously you are risking your hard-earned money. As I always say, be a trader, not a gambler. So wait for the retracement. Okay, wait for the retracement. If you see that market is going up again, breaking this high, if market breaks this high and starts going up from here, you can take a buy position, but otherwise no. And if market retraces and comes down to 1830, 1825 level or 1830 level, these levels, then there's a possibility of market bouncing. Okay, because here we can see that there are some volume here, there's a possibility of a market bouncing from this level. So yes, if market comes on 1830 level and bounces, you can take a buy position here also. So otherwise do not enter in the middle. Okay, if you are confused right now watching the video, then I am extremely sorry, the chart is a little bit complicated. What I'm saying is that, okay, do not take a buy position until and unless you see a breakout at this level, market breaking the level and going up, or market goes for retracement and market goes for retracement. If market retraces and goes up, that can be a good buy. Otherwise, do not enter in the middles. Okay, sorry for making the video very long and complicated. Okay, because there are certain things that I think that you should know. Okay, as a trader, you should know what are the factors that are important for the market you should be considering, because simply trading on the basis of chart is not trading, my dear friend. If you want to become a trader in the long run, if you want to take trading as a profession, you must know what are the conditions that you must always consider. Okay, hopefully you understood. If you have liked the video and found the video informative, give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. Bye bye, take care.